My name is Graham. I'm 51 years old and I'm a build manager in the telecoms industry. In July of 2023, I was diagnosed with high-risk aggressive prostate cancer. Nothing prepares you for this moment. I just felt completely numb and unable to think straight.
My name is Kat and I live in London and work in financial services by day, but consider myself an amateur adventurer in my spare time. I was diagnosed with stage 1B adenocarcinoma of the cervix, and despite a short period of remission, my cancer returned and had spread in the June of 2020.
My name is Graham. I'm a 71-year-old retired pharmaceutical director. I'm married to Sue for 44 years. In 2023, I was diagnosed with prostate cancer. At that stage, I was quite panicky.
My name is Vanessa. I'm 53 years old, and like lots of people, I enjoy socialising, visiting different countries, living my best life. To say I was in shock when I was first told of my cancer diagnosis is an understatement. My whole world literally changed in one fell swoop.
My name's Megan and I work as a matron at HCA UK. I wanted to work in cancer care for loads of different reasons, but mainly because it's a really difficult time in people's lives and I just kind of wanted to make a real difference at a time that was really hard.
I'm Joe. I'm a therapy radiographer, which means I use radiation to treat cancer in a careful and controlled way. It puts me in a position where I can meet so many different people from across the full spectrum of humanity. That's the ongoing joy of it, really.
Personalised care is incredibly important, and I certainly felt it every step of the way.
The medical team and I assessed how each treatment option would affect me, both the person I am and my active lifestyle, and also the impact on my family.
I went away from that first consultation feeling a lot calmer than I had done since I'd had the diagnosis.
I consider myself very lucky to have had the treatments tailored for me, to have had the support of a clinical team that have been there for me from the start.
I approach personalised care by putting myself in the shoes of the person I'm working with and engaging with them in a way that works for them is something that I really enjoy.
We make a bigger difference when we do take the time to get to know them as a person and get to know what's important to them. And it's a time where we can make a real difference to patients' lives. When they're going through something that's really, really difficult, we can really support them.
This experience has taught me that I'm stronger than I ever imagined, and a new me is developing.
What I did learn through this was trust the professionals who are advising and looking after you. Everyone made me feel calm, made me feel this was just something normal and that it would be a positive outcome.
I've learnt how resilient I am and to trust in the many healthcare professionals because they're the ones that know the next best steps.
And I've also learned just not to sweat the small stuff because it just pales in significance to some of the bigger things in life.
My story is unique,
but I'm united
in my support of every person
Who has been diagnosed with cancer.